Today we are making a classic French Génoise sponge cake. It serves 8 people and takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes from start to finish. Let's bake. First, let's check the ingredients. For large eggs at room temperature, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar for the batter, 1 cup of cake flour, already sifted, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted and cooled, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 pinch of fine salt, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter for greasing the pan, 1/4 cup of water for the syrup, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar for the syrup, 1 tablespoon of dark rum for the syrup, optional. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease an 8-inch round cake pan with 1 tablespoon of butter and line the base with parchment paper. Sift 1 cup of cake flour with a pinch of fine salt twice and set it aside. In a large heatproof bowl, combine 4 eggs and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Set the bowl over barely simmering water and whisk constantly until warm to the touch, about 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius, for 3 to 4 minutes. Transfer the bowl to a stand mixer and whip on high speed until the mixture is thick, pale, and about tripled in volume, for 6 to 8 minutes. Beat in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for about 10 seconds to combine. Sift 1/3 of the 1 cup of cake flour over the eggs and gently fold with a spatula. Repeat in 2 more additions until all of the flour is incorporated without deflating the batter. In a small bowl, whisk about 1 cup of the batter with 3 tablespoons of melted butter until smooth. Fold this buttered batter back into the main bowl just until combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, smooth the top, and tap the pan twice on the counter to release large air bubbles. Bake on the center rack at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 28 minutes, until golden, springy to the touch, and a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Run a thin knife around the edge, invert onto a rack, peel off the parchment, turn it upright, and cool until barely warm. Make the syrup. In a small saucepan combine 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar. Bring it to a simmer, stir to dissolve, and boil for 1 minute. Remove from the heat, stir in 1 tablespoon of dark rum if you are using it, and let the syrup cool to room temperature. With a pastry brush, gently brush the warm syrup over the top and sides of the warm cake, giving it time to soak in evenly. Let the cake cool completely, then slice and serve as is or use it as a base for layered desserts. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Génoise, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a bake.